So many fishes in the river. This Galipado, all of my guys one day run a ricoco.
For joining, it's your girl Elizabeth, and if this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please make sure you click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any video on this YouTube channel. So today's video, as you can see in the title, I'll be doing a rubber band box braid, and I'm so excited. So for this box braid, what I'll be using is my Naomi double extension. What I like about this extension is that it has been plucked. Like, you don't have to stress yourself plucking it. Has been plucked for you. And I'll be using this my gel. I've had this gel for a long time and I don't have anything to use, so I'll be using this my gel and rubber bands. I'm actually going to be using black, so I'll separate it, and then some hair tools, cotton comb, I have comb, I have clips, I have scissors, and I have my mirror here, and that's all. So concerning that my extension, if that one won't be enough, I have another extension that my sister gave me. So let me show you. So this is another one. Maybe if that one is not enough, so that maybe if I'm going to use this, just maybe. Rubber band, if you're going to be using rubber band, just make sure it is soaked in oils to avoid breakage. Your hair must not break at all. So without making so much about time, let's jump into the video.
So I already sectioned out a portion. I know my pattern is not good, yeah, I know, but you just have to manage it like that. And then after that, I am taking my gel. I'm supposed to use edge control, but I don't have edge control, so I'm just going to use what I have. So I'm using my gel to define my pattern, to make it sleek. Then right after that, I'm taking my cotton comb and doing a box shape or square shape. Yeah, box shape, square shape, still the same thing. So I'm doing a box shape and I am using my rubber band to do it. So that is basically what I'll be doing to every part of this my hair. Yes, that is what I'm doing. So just watch me doing it. So guys, this is me in the next morning. I finished everything last night, but I couldn't take my phone to start recording because it's very late. And this is what it looks like. Yes. And let me tell you the fun fact of it. This took me 3 good hours. This took me 3 good hours to part. So if you watch it under 5 minutes, don't just think it's under 5 minutes that I finished it. 3 hours. Yes. So then I am taking my hair and I'm finger detangling. You know, I told you I left it in my satin last night, and you know, shrinkage now. So I'm detangling it. Then I am taking my gel. I already showed it to you in the intro of this video. I'm taking my gel to make it very easy to work with, to make it easy. You know how hair is natural, so to make it very easy, I am taking my gel and applying it to it. Then after that, I am dividing my extension into pieces. I don't want it to be too big, and I don't want it to be small, so I'm taking it medium size. Trust me, medium. I'm sorry I didn't show it to you guys what the size looks like, but it's medium. Trust me, medium size. You can go with any size you want. You can go for jumbo, you can go for big, you can go for medium, you can go for tiny, but I'm going for medium, so medium size. So to make life easier for me, to make it very easy for me, I decided to pack the rest of my hair, and obviously that's what I'm supposed to do. So pack the remaining rest of my hair that I am not using and work with the one I'm going to work on. So you already know I applied gel, but it's now dry, so my hair is detangled, and I use my comb to detangle it and apply more gel. Yeah, I think I apply more gel, and then I take my extension that has been divided and I divide it into two, then I cross it over. I don't know what is wrong with me when I film this video. I'm supposed to show it to you guys. What is wrong with me? But don't worry, I divided the extension into two and I cross it over. If you've been watching tutorial on YouTube, you definitely see the way they do it. But that's what I do. Divide it into two and cross it over. And then I start braiding. So while working with my hair, while braiding, I decided to apply gel so that it will be easy to work with. You know, natural hair can be so frustrating at times, so I applied gel to make it very easy and my hair will not show. Not that my hair will not show, but where my hair ends will not show. Yeah, so that's the reason why I applied gel to it. You can apply any other thing you know will be perfectly suited for you, but as for me, I am using my gel. Yes, gel. And if you notice very well, you will see I am constantly looking to my, is it left or right? Okay, my left side, and that's because I'm watching movies while braiding, so I won't get bored. So if you want to go for this long job, make sure you have a movies that you'll be watching or something that you shall keep your eyes busy on, so you won't get bored while doing it. It's an advice, yeah. So guys, I'm only left with this section right here. I'm done with this, but I shouldn't have used this color. Like, I should have used color that will perfectly match the color of my hair, but don't worry, we're still gonna rock this, okay? So I'll just do this and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. And here I am done with everything. Girl, I am proud of you. Oh, sorry. I am proud of myself. And what I'm doing is taking my scissors and trimming the excess hair. You know, we want it to look like a professional. Sure you understand. And after that, this part, my sister, you need to be very careful. And me, you need to be extra careful because this is hot water. If you know you cannot do it yourself, call your sister or your brother or anyone that you know can do it for you. Don't be doing shakara. Don't be doing like you can do it though. So what I'm doing is putting my hair into hot water to make it like smooth and good and professional and everything. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. But this thing is hot, but you know I have to film it with you guys. Yes, just watch it. I am putting it in hot water and let it stay for like how many seconds? I think 5 seconds. Yeah, I put it there for 5 seconds and remove it, then work with the other section too. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I am done with everything. And the next thing I'm doing, it may not be necessary for you, but it is necessary for me. I'm using my towel, like it's hot, not very hot, but it's warm, and I'm using it on my head to make it relieve and so that we won't have a headache and everything. It's not necessary, but for me it is necessary because you know what I mean? It is necessary.
Enjoy this video because I also enjoy filming. It's like I enjoy. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.